Hi, love. We finally made it. I'm so proud of us for keeping our promise despite the distance. Almost 5 years of LDR is no joke, but we did it. Thank you for keeping all your promises. Most especially for making my childhood dream come true.
Mabuti, mabait. I mean, sobrang bait niya, sobrang understanding.
Sobrang bait. Sobrang bait. Magkaibigan kami for 6 years bago naging kami.
Nagkaaway din kami, pero yun nga, eventually we reconnected during the pandemic and the rest is history.
Tapos ngayon, another almost 5 years, papakasal kami. So matagal.
Tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay kanya sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang ginawa kong mabuti sa buhay. Sa buhay ko, binigyan ako ni Lord ng taong mamahalin ko habang buhay. Kung ano man ang nagawa kong tama kay Lord, uulit-ulitin ko yun para ibigay ka sa akin ni Lord ng paulit-ulit.
dito ko hanggang sa ating pagtanda.
Gumagawa ka ng sarili mong storya na. Oo. Make it a happy ending, anak.
Nakahawak ako, huwag ka lang ipitaw habang buhay lang.
Nang dahil sa'yo, naging mas malapit ako sa family. Nang dahil sa'yo, mas naging masipag ako sa trabaho. Nang dahil sa'yo, I realized na ang buhay ay pwede palang maging masaya basta makontento tayo sa mga naabot natin sa buhay. Hi, love! I know you like this gift. It's something you don't have yet. And just like what's inside the box, my love for you will never depreciate or lose its value. I love you, Habibi. Hi,
Nag-iisang Diyos
wala akong masabi pero alam mo na yon. Sana nakita pa tayo. Pero don't worry, hindi po namin pababayaan si nanay. Nasa mabuti po siyang kamay. Aalagaan ko yung asawa ko ng buong tapat at buong puso. Huwag kaming mag-aaway at magmamahalan kami ng habang buhay.
ganda.
Dati, naniniwala ako na kaya kong mabuhay mag-isa sa mundo. Pero sabi nga sa lyrics ng kanta, kapag tinamaan ka na ng pag-ibig, makakaatras ka pa ba? Akala ko hindi ko siya kailangan, pero ngayon hindi ko na kaya mag-isa. Dahil doon, hindi na papayag ang puso ko itong mapalayo sa'yo.
Ating pagtanda, mamahalin kita basta't pag nahulog.
I promise to be your friend, your lullaby when you are having difficulty sleeping, and to support your dreams as they are also mine now. I will always be your current boyfriend and now husband and forever. I am excited for our future together, that we will always be together forever. Lovingly yours, love.
Dati tinanong mo ako kung nagsisi pa ako na hindi, tapos sinagot nung unang beses ka naligaw sa akin. Same pa din yung sasagot ko. Naniniwala ako na everything happens for a reason. Maybe we didn't make it the first time because God wanted me to see your heart clearly.
Thank you sa inyo, thank you sa inyo. Thank you for all of you for coming.
Aga pa, Mol. Yo, Mol, congratulations. Cheers para sa tagumpay mo.
Thank you.
Love, this gift symbolizes you.
Heavy?
Yeah! How neat, meticulous you are about yourself. As you cherish our love.
10 years ago, I didn't know that time that I already met the person that would change my life forever. You have been my inspiration. I love how you love and take care of your family. I think it is your best quality, and that's what I like about you. How family-oriented you are.
Love you. Yun. It's okay. Another journey ng buhay mo. Today, damdamin mo lang. Huh? Alam ko masaya.
Apo.
Okay. That's it.
Oras pa.
Ano ba? Anong oras na ba? Sure na, sure na. Sure na.
Oras ka pa na para isoli sa talon.
Ngayon, nakita ko na. Nararamdaman ko na. Thank you, Pumaligsa. Thank you for being so patient with me, for pursuing me, for loving me the way you do, so deeply and unconditionally. Thank you for being so kind and gentle to me.
Heart in my hands, don't fail me now. Won't let the weight of my fear go and knock me down.
Thank you, Lord. Binigyan mo ako ng kalmadong asawa. Sana hawakan mo ako. Maging kalmado.
You called my name in the dead of night. I was barely surviving, almost let the cry. Said don't look down, but open your eyes. You were right. You said the mountain is you.
I will always be your number one supporter, defender, your best friend, your lover forever. Pangako ko sa'yo, Carlo, ikaw lang habang buhay. I love you so much.